We'll guide you through how to create a Trello workflow that suits your needs perfectly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello in your web browser and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner and click on the plus icon to create a new board. Name your board according to the project or workflow you have in mind, choose a background color or image to keep things visually appealing, and then click the Create Board button. Now, you're on your new board, and it's time to set up your workflow. You'll want to create lists that represent each stage of your workflow. For example, you might start with lists like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click on Add a List, type in the name, and press Enter. Repeat this process for each stage of your workflow. Once your lists are set up, you can start adding cards. Click Add a Card at the bottom of a list, type the task's name, and hit Enter. You can then click on the card to add more details like descriptions, checklists, due dates, and attachments. If you need to collaborate with others, you can invite team members to your board by clicking Invite at the top of the board. Enter their email addresses or usernames and send the invitation. To automate some of your tasks, Trello offers power-ups like Butler. You can access power-ups by clicking on power-ups at the top of your board and selecting what suits your workflow best. You can set rules, triggers, and actions that will automate repetitive tasks and keep your workflow efficient. Remember, you can always rearrange your cards by dragging and dropping them between lists as tasks progress. With Trello, you have the flexibility to customize your workflow to fit any project or team dynamic. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.